1970 LDS Mobile suite la SSXW32 convertible. The 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass SXW32 convertible represents the ultimate expression of classic American performance and style, a machine rooted in the golden age of muscle, yet restored to modern standards of precision and power. This particular example is the result of a comprehensive frame-off restoration, a meticulous process that removes the body from its chassis to rebuild every structural, mechanical, and aesthetic component. The result is not just a classic car brought back to life, it's a restored legend that honors its heritage while incorporating performance improvements that make it as satisfying to drive today as it was thrilling to behold over 5 decades ago. This is a car that turns heads, evokes emotion, and encapsulates a defining era in automotive history. As the camera opens on the 1970 Cutlass SXW32 convertible, the first impression is one of impeccable craftsmanship. The exterior paint gleams with depth and clarity, a finish so flawless that it almost appears liquid, reflecting surrounding colors and light like a handcrafted piece of art. The body lines are crisp and true to the original design, with every contour thoughtfully preserved and refined. A convertible top, beautifully restored or replaced, folds and unfolds with smooth, confident motion, reinforcing the sense of both elegance and performance that defines this vehicle. The Oldsmobile brand needs little introduction to those familiar with classic American muscle. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, Oldsmobile was at the forefront of performance engineering, blending power, comfort, and reliability in ways that allowed enthusiasts to embrace both speed and style. The Cutlass model line, already successful and admired, reached a crescendo with the W32 package, a performance-oriented variant that equipped the car with enhancements designed to maximize performance without compromising daily usability. In convertible form, this takes on an added layer of desirability. It is both an exhilarating performance machine and a stunning open-air cruiser. Under the hood of this Cutlass sits a rebuilt Olds 455 CI Rocket V8, a power plant legendary for its massive displacement, broad torque curve, and commanding presence. Unlike smaller small-block engines of the era, the Olds 455 offers a visceral sense of power that is palpable from idle. Every time the throttle is applied, the engine responds with authority, producing a vibration through the chassis and a deep, resonant exhaust note that reverberates with muscle car heritage. What sets this particular build apart is the addition of an EFI, electronic fuel injection conversion, a modern upgrade that dramatically improves throttle response, fuel delivery, cold start behavior, and overall drivability. FI effectively takes the best parts of modern engine management and applies them to vintage power.